The roots of aerospace engineering, also called aeronautical engineering, leads back to the early days of mechanical engineering. The earliest drawing of flight vehicles were drawn by Leonardo da Vinci. Da Vinci came up with two ideas for flight machines. The first drawing was called an ornithopter, a flight vehicle that used wings to imitate the flight of birds. The second drawing was an aerial screw, the predecessor of a modern-day helicopter. The hot air balloon was the first successful flight machine, designed by the French brothers Joseph Michel and Jacques-Étienne Montgolfier.
Some of the daily tasks by aerospace engineers are conducting research on production materials for construction of aircraft. Some aerospace engineers are in charge of designing guidance systems for missiles or control panels for fighter jets. They also direct and coordinate the design, manufacture, and testing of aircraft and aerospace products. They inspect malfunctioning and defective products and find out solutions to fix them. They also determine if their designs for aircraft or aerospace products will be safe to use in the air. Aerospace engineers, especially those directing large operations, often have to stay later to ensure that the project they are working on meets the expectations.
Careers. Some job titles associated with aerospace engineering are as following: Systems Engineer Software, Electrical Design Engineer, Staff Systems Engineer, CAD Engineer, Director of Supply Chain, and Investment Operator. These are some job titles associated with aerospace engineering.
Education requirements. Entry-level aerospace engineers usually need a bachelor's degree. High school students interested in studying aerospace engineering in college should take classes in many science and math classes. A master's degree is very helpful when trying to get to the highest levels of aerospace engineering.
Professional requirements. Aerospace engineers are not required to be licensed at an entry level. More experienced aerospace engineers, who assume more responsibility, usually earn the professional engineer license. To attain this generally requires the following: a degree from an engineering program, a passing score on the FE exam, relevant work experience, and a passing score on the professional engineering program.
Great, I did stop it in the middle of it. Earnings. As of May 2012, the median annual wage for aerospace engineers was $103,720. The median annual wages for aerospace engineers in the top 5 industries are as follows. When working for the federal government, you get on average $110,860 per year. For scientific research and development, you get $109,740 per year. Navigational, measuring, electromedical, and control instruments, you get $107,510 per year. For architectural engineering and related services, you get $102,720. Aerospace product and parts manufacturing, you get $97,560 per year.
Well-known companies. Some of the well-known companies are as follows: Boeing, Airbus, Lockheed Martin, United Technologies, Northrop Grumman, Raytheon, General Electric, and Finmeccanica. Professional organizations. Aerospace Industries Association, AIA, AHS International, American Astronautical Society, American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics, AIAA, Experimental Aircraft Association. Well-known projects: Parker Solar Probe spacecraft, Joint Polar Satellite System, NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, Hard X-ray Modulation Telescope. Current job openings. Aerospace engineer, Superior Group. Aerospace engineer, flight dynamics and simulation. Aeronautical engineer, entry level, Lockheed Martin in Marietta, Georgia.